A long time ago, in a place called Rajnagar, there was a very big and beautiful forest. Many animals lived there peacefully. They helped each other and shared everything happily. One year, during the rainy season, something unusual happened. It started raining very heavily. The rain did not stop for 3 days and 3 nights. The rivers were overflowing, trees were dripping with water, and the animals were stuck inside their homes. In that forest, there lived a dear couple named Raj and Meena. One stormy night, as the rain poured down loudly, they were talking inside their home. Meena said, "Raj, it has been raining for 3 days. The rain is not stopping at all." Raj replied, "You are right. Because of this heavy rain, all the animals must be in trouble." Meena looked worried and said, "I am very concerned. Please go and check on the other animals." Raj agreed. Even though the rain was heavy, he stepped out of his home to see how everyone was doing. While walking through the wet forest, Raj did not know that someone was watching him. Inside a dark cave nearby, a leopard was hiding. He had not eaten anything for 3 days because of the heavy rain. He was very hungry and weak. When he saw the deer walking alone, his eyes shone with excitement. The leopard thought, "Finally, food has come to me." He quietly followed Raj through the bushes. Raj sensed that something was wrong. He looked around carefully and soon realized that the hungry leopard was chasing him. Raj quickly ran towards his home. The leopard ran behind him. The rain made the ground slippery, and it became difficult to run. Just when the leopard was about to catch Raj, Meena saw what was happening. She quickly shouted loudly to alert the other animals. Hearing her cries, many animals came out of their homes. The monkeys started throwing sticks and fruits at the leopard. The elephants trumpeted loudly. The birds flew around him, flapping their wings. Seeing so many animals together, the leopard became frightened. He realized that he could not fight all of them at once. The animals stood united. Because they supported each other, they were stronger than the hungry leopard. The leopard slowly stepped back and then ran away into the forest. Raj was safe. All the animals felt relieved. After this incident, the leopard understood an important lesson. He realized that being greedy and attacking others would only bring trouble. The animals also learned that when they stand together, they can face any danger. From that day onward, the forest animals became even more united and careful, and the hungry leopard never tried to attack them again. The moral is simple and lasting: unity is strength. When we stand together, we can overcome even the biggest problems.